What's up, Domination Crew? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about what in the world business model we would follow if we lost everything today. If we lost everything today, we had to start from square one. That means we lost everything, lost all income sources, everything. We would undoubtedly start an Amazon business. And not just an Amazon business, but an Amazon dropshipping and FBA business. Now, when we say dropshipping, we don't mean like taking your products from Target and Walmart and sending them and doing some type of retail arbitrage. We mean private label dropshipping, which is something that we teach to our students. It's the only business model where you can be profitable from day one. Literally profitable from day one. And let me explain how. So with Shopify, you build your store. Yeah, you get a 14-day free trial, but after that you pay $29.99 for your Shopify store. You know, you're hosting, and you have to pay for you obviously have to pay for your domain name. You got to pay for your ad traffic. You have to pay for any apps that you use, even if you do get it like a 7-day free trial. Chances are you're not going to know your audience right off the bat, so you're going to be spending at least $5 a day testing, and that's just $5 on one product. You know, you're probably testing multiple products, so you're spending $20, $30, $40 a day. Already you're not profitable. Already, you know, you're done just testing products to find a winner. One winner. It's not like all of your products are going to be winners, and it's not like everyone who goes to check out that product is going to start looking to add other products from your store. So you could be hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in the hole within your first month and have made no money. You could have done 0 sales. Affiliate marketing, like, yeah, it's practically free to get into. You can start an Amazon Associates account, create a YouTube channel and start, creating videos and all that. But as we know, with YouTube, it's a long game. It takes a while to generate traffic. People aren't necessarily going to be looking for your videos right away. YouTube rewards people that are going to stay for the long haul. They reward people that's going to stick around, that's going to, play the game. So you're not getting enough traffic to send people to those links to buy. And you have to know what people are looking for, which you can do through Amazon. You can take a look to see what's selling, and you can kind of cater your YouTube channel to those particular niches, and then hopefully people will buy. You could create a website and drive traffic to that, but again, you're spending money to drive traffic, because once you build a website, nobody knows about it but you and the man upstairs. So you're kind of out of luck on that one. eBay, you could potentially, turn a profit from day one, but the profit margins are very slim if you have an eBay dropshipping business. We sell on eBay, but like we said, it's really only for our returns. We don't, really focus on the eBay side of things too much, because you're not really making as much money as you could. So with Amazon, you're going to be making money from day one. You spend the $39.99 to have your pro sellers account. You can list as many products as you want for absolutely free. Amazon doesn't charge you anything to list. They just charge the fees when you sell. You would pay for your product research tool, and even then, you don't necessarily have to pay for the product research tool if you're, on the cheap side. If money is an option, the AMZ Scout FBA calculator, and that's a free tool. It's a free Chrome extension. You could search products, one by one to see what, how many sales are getting, what what the monthly revenue is, sales volume, all this stuff. So you could do product research that way. It's just a little bit longer and more tedious. What I would recommend is using AMZ Scout Pro. That's the tool that I use to do all the product research. Definitely recommend it. But you would use that tool, end up doing your product research, find, a profitable niche. And if you guys have checked out the other videos, you would know that the niches, the 3 niches that we tell you to sell in, one of them being the baby niche right off the bat. So if you go there, you find, products within the kids or baby sphere. You start, you find something, you take those and you create your product listings. You'll be doing private label drop shipping at first. You're not going to be just drop shipping like from Target, Walmart, all that crap. You're going to be drop shipping a specific way, and that's something that we teach our students. We'll get into that in another video, but basically you're going to be finding those products. You're going to be putting them up. You're going to be listing them, optimizing your ad listings, and you're not going to be able to run traffic right off the bat, because you're a new seller. They're not FBA items. So you won't be able to run ad traffic because you won't have the buy box, which is, if you check out our other video on how to get the buy box, you won't be running any ad traffic. You'll just have your products listed. And Amazon is smart enough to know that, hey, this is a new seller. They have some products. Let's test them out. Within 24, 48 hours, and in some case less than that, you could be selling. You could be selling without any ad spend, without any, external traffic, because the A9 algorithm is intelligent. I write algorithms at work all day long. That's my day job. I'm a software engineer. So I write algorithms, and they're complex enough to take a specific subset and modify it as needed. So for instance, let's say you have certain parameters like the A9 algorithm, which prioritizes your metrics like reviews, sales, inventory. Well, based on that specific subset, Amazon can say, all right, drive traffic to this person because they're doing really well or they're not doing well or whatever. You know, we want to see if this person can get sales. And as a new seller, Amazon's going to test you. They might not test you at prime time. They might take your listings and move them around, you know, so some people, you know, are going to see them at certain times. Other people are going to see them at certain times. It's not like your listings are always shown in the exact same spots at the exact same time every single day. It doesn't work that way. Even though Amazon prioritizes, you know, sales above all, they take into account all these other parameters. And since you're a new seller, Amazon doesn't have enough data on that listing to make an informed decision. So it's going to test you out. Well, guess what? Now you can test multiple products. You're not going to be spending hundreds of dollars a week testing products like you would with a Shopify store. Amazon's going to be doing it for you. So those products that you think might sell, put them up, and congratulations. Now Amazon's going to start moving them around. They're going to take one from here, move it here, move it here, move it here, move it here, show it to these people, show it to these people, show it to these people. You start getting sales, congratulations. Now your rank naturally improves. You don't have to do any giveaways. You don't have to run any ads. Boom, just like that, you're profitable. If we lost everything today and we had to start over from scratch, I promise you we could still build another six-figure Amazon store within a matter of a couple months. Like, we would be doing 5 figures just like we were before. Now that we have the whole process now, we can do 5 figures within our first 30 days. Easily. There's no doubt about that, you know? So you guys, if you're looking to get into, you know, the e-commerce space or figure out how to make some extra money or start a legitimate business, a legitimate e-commerce business or online business, definitely need to look at Amazon to do so. Guys, I can't stress enough how easy it is, how you could make money from day one. You know, yeah, the payment schedule kind of stinks, but if you check out our other video on how we get paid daily through Amazon, you know, that'll show you the tool that we use. Not necessarily the tool, but it's more of a service that pays us out every single day for all of our Amazon sales. So that way, when you're drop shipping, you don't have to wait, you know, the whole 2 weeks, if not longer, to get paid with Amazon. If you had no idea, now you know. Don't start a Shopify store unless you want to just throw away money and give, you know, tons of cash to the old. I'm not saying that you can't be profitable with Shopify. What I am saying is that the average person like me and you, not gonna be rich off Shopify. Just not gonna happen. And we have a Shopify store, and I can tell you firsthand, you're not gonna get rich off Shopify. Like, you know, the whole 1099 challenge, you know, but they probably spent even more money than that running ads. So you make $20,000, $30,000 a year on Shopify, that's revenue. That's not actually what you brought back, you know, so to speak. So $30,000, probably half of that is ad spend. So what did you really make? Whereas with Amazon, we're doing 5 figures every single month, and we spend around $30 a day. So that's $900, but you know, we're doing between all of our, so one store will do like 11, 12,000, the other store might do 10, and our other store might do 13, 14. But if we're averaging $30 a day on each store, it's $900 per store. We're making way more money we are in our Shopify store. You know, you want to put it into perspective. All right, start an Amazon business. That's just the way to go. If you're going to keep DMing us or leaving comments on the videos or going to Facebook and sending us messages asking, you know, what business model you should start, we're going to tell you the same thing. It doesn't change. Start an Amazon business because it's the most profitable right off the bat. You don't have to wait to build up natural traffic because it's already there. People are going to Amazon to shop. All right, guys, peace.